Today we're starting a beginner American accent class. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you can speak English but still feel like my English sounds robotic, American speaks too fast, I understand subtitle but not real speaking, then this lesson's perfect for you. Because today I'll teach you the most important things American stress and strength, plus special American pronunciation, common American words, abbreviation, and connected speech. The secret behind American speak with stress. First rule: Americans don't stress every word. They stress important words and reduce the rest. Americans stress nouns, main verbs, adjectives, numbers, and negative words. Americans reduce to, for, a, and, the, and, of, you, your, him, her. For example, I want to buy a new phone today. American stress: I want to buy a new phone today. Not like, I want to buy a new phone today. Sounds robotic, right? Now let's check this. I want to buy a new phone today. Yes, that's American style. The most American sound T equal to clap T. In American English, T often sounds like D when it's in the middle of the word. This is called clap T. For example, water becomes water. Better becomes better. City becomes city. Party becomes party. Little becomes little. Not water. Better. City. Now let's practice. Water. Better. City. Little. Americans love R sound. That means Americans pronounce R clearly. For example, car, hard, work, first, world. In the American accent, your tongue doesn't touch the top. Your tongue should curve slightly back. So let's practice again. Car, work, first, world. Good. The most important American vowel sound, ch. This sounds the reason Americans sound smooth. It's the weakest sound and American use it everywhere. For example, about becomes about. Banana becomes banana. Support becomes support. Problems become problem. Family becomes family. Common and fast speech. So let's practice with me. About, banana. Problem, perfect. Connected speech, how Americans speak fast. Now the real part, connected speech. Americans don't speak word by word. They connect sounds like a chain. For example, want to becomes wanna. I want to go becomes I wanna go. Do you want to eat becomes do you wanna eat? Going to becomes gonna. Just like going to becomes gonna. I'm going to sleep becomes I'm gonna sleep. We're going to win becomes we're gonna win. Go to becomes gotta. I go to live, I gotta live. You go to try becomes you gotta try. Similarly, give me becomes gimme. Give me that becomes give me that. Give me a minute becomes give me a minute. Just like this, let me becomes let me. Let me see becomes let me see. Let me help you becomes let me help you. Now this is the practice drill. Repeat after me. I wanna go. I'm gonna call you. I gotta work. Give me a sec. Let me check. This is real American speaking. Americans reduce to like to, but Americans say ta, da, da, just like this instead of to. To very much strong. For example, I want to go becomes in American, I want to go. I need to study becomes in American, I need to study. I have to live becomes have to live. Here, to is pronounced like ta, da, do, just like this. Most common American words. Let's learn some common American words American use daily. If any American say awesome, that means very good. If say cool, cool means okay or nice. If someone says no, means no. If it's called yep, yep means yes. Buddy means friend. Dude means friend, very common. Kinda means kind of. And shut up means shut up. Right now means immediately. So let's practice this with me. That's awesome. Cool, no problem. Yep, I got it. No, not today. I'm kind of tired. Now let's talk about some abbreviations Americans say all the time. Americans love short forms. For example, ASAP, like as soon as possible. IDK means I don't know. BTW, by the way, OMG, oh my god. FYI, for your information. BRB, be right back. TMI, too much information. Now let's speak like American with everything we've learned. Hey, what are you doing? Not much, I'm kinda tired. You wanna grab coffee? Yeah, sounds good. Let me get ready. Cool, text me when you're done. Sure, I'll be there ASAP. This is real American play. So today you learn the real American accent basics. Stress and rhythm, T becomes D, strong R sound, stress sound, connector speech, common American words plus abbreviations. If you want part 2, comment part 2 American accent and I'll be there. And I'll make the next session with TA sound, V versus W sound, American intonation, shadow and practice. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.